Hey boys and girls, the Junkman here with another video. Y'all remember that machine I just built, uploaded? They got 24 core beast in the box, that white one. And when I was building it, I knew it was nice. I knew it was nice. The person I built that computer for, something that they did with that computer used to take like, I think they said something like 5 or 6 minutes. And now it does the same thing in 7 seconds. It's like I knew that machine was bad when I built it. And I don't even need a machine. But I just broke down. I was like, man, I gotta build me one now. Because that machine, wait, it's the white one that I just uploaded. You go back and look at it, you really look at the details. But I did one for myself. I did it in black. And let me just give you a quick tour of the bad boy. Now, there's some things that I did different with mine. That box had a 3060, I believe was the video card that it had in it, a 3060. I went and put a 4080 Super in mine. Thing's so heavy, I had to put a support brace on it. Look at that. I had to put a support brace. You see it? I had to put a support brace on that daggone thing. It's so heavy. Oh, check out the power connector. Look at that. Is that clean or what? Is that clean or what? Power bridge. It happens to be by Corsair, which is who this case is by. Case is gorgeous, man. Case is gorgeous. And, and the cooler. The CPU cooler I used in the one I built was an iCUE. Well, this is an iCUE LCD, and it allows you to put pictures on the processor cover. Like, you know, you put your babies on there, your loved ones. You know, man, that's sweet. I think you can even do GIFs. I think it'll let you do GIFs. So, but yeah, it's nice. It's nice. It's nice. So I put the same amount of RAM. I got 96 gig of RAM in this bad boy. Processor is a top-of-the-line i9. Like I said, 24-core processor. My Lord, this thing is fast. And with that 4080 in there, Super, 4080 Super, oh, come on, y'all. Y'all know I'm gaming like crazy up in here. Let you see the back of that bad boy. It's got that processor has onboard video. But I normally don't use that. But it's got more USB. It's got plenty USB-C. It's also Wi-Fi. Let me see. You can see the 2 connectors right there. So it's got built-in Wi-Fi, 7.1 sound. It's even got digital sound. Oh man, this thing is nice. And then I've got an old dinosaur that I put in there. See that right there? That is my FireWire card for my 2003 model XL2 Canon camera. You can still find those things online. They ain't cheap, man, but that's a bad camera. That's a bad camera. I even got a video on my channel of me showing off the zoom of that thing. That thing is crazy. I don't even know how to work half of it. If I was real good with it, I know somebody saw me out in public with it and about had a cow because they used to work for a TV station and they had one. And they were talking about everything it'll do. It blew over my head, some of the stuff they were saying. But yeah, it's nice, y'all. It's nice. It is nice. Check it out. It's an Asus board, tough gaming. Yes, it's sweet. It's sweet. And I was wondering how that white would look inside a black case, but the glass is smoked. So it makes it look pretty sweet. I mean, it's real nice. It's real nice. So that's my new machine. It's going to replace look. It's going to replace this monster right here. And I already sold this. It didn't take it. This got listed for 1 day. It was sold, and it's air cooled, which is what that big hunkering thing is right there. And the video card in this one is a 4060 Ti. So I went from a 4060 Ti to a 4080 Super. So yeah, I mean, like I said, this ain't no slouch. I want to say it's got 64 gig of RAM in it. Now I can't remember. I done built so many machines. It's hard for me to keep up with what I got. But, and it's in a, oh man, I can't remember the name of the case. Nice case though. I like the case. It's nice. But yeah, that's what I was using. And it's powering 4 screens. I run 4 screens on my setup. But yeah, this bad boy right here is gonna take over. It's gonna do the job. It's gonna do the job. It's gonna be, oh man, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. I can't wait to, and I don't play no really serious games. I be playing stuff from the 1990s like Quake and Unreal Tournament. But I'm old, y'all. Those were the games that was out when I was gaming. I don't game now, although I got a whole lot of machine to game. Main thing I do is video editing. That's the main thing I do. I like to record my favorite teams' games and then take all the commercials out, put them on DVD, and then I can go back and watch them when it ain't, off season. And by that time, I'm old, so I've been forgot. I know that they are all wins, because I wouldn't watch a game if we're going to lose it. But I've forgot half the plays and stuff. So it's good. It's like I have season all year round, so that's why I do that. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all real quick what I did with this bad boy. It is nice. Check out that RAM. Got that Tetris, can't even say it, action going. That RAM that's Dominator RAM from Corsair. I kind of got a Corsair theme going with this one too. That power bridge on top of the CPU is by Corsair. As you can see the logo right there. The case is by Corsair. Motherboard's by ASUS. The cooler, the liquid cooler, is by Corsair. They make some quality stuff, man. The power supply. Oh, the power supply. Oh, let me show y'all that power supply. Hold on a second. My cat down there. Fancy, what you doing? I gotta show y'all this power supply. It's the same one that I put in that other one I built. The same one with the 10-year warranty. 10 years. Oh man, this is good. Oh, this thing is nice. And does it show it? You can't really see it. Let me see here. You can see it on there. You really can't see it. It's got the power output for a card like this that requires you either have to use that plug, or you have to use 3, not 1, not 2, but 3 separate PCIe connectors that are all separate on the power supply in order to power this beast. Or if it has, I want to say it's the 24-volt connector. I forget what it is. But it has the special connector that powers this beast. And that's why there's only one cable going to it. And if you notice, you don't see a whole bunch of cables. You notice that? Because all the cables to this board are on the back side. On that white one I built, I show all of this. I just wanted to show y'all this put together. But yeah, man. Junkman over here just balling. What? This bad boy is nice. But that's all I want to do, just show you a little short video. Said, hey, I had to build me one. It was such a bad computer. I had to build me one. So that's what I got going on, y'all. Until the next time, this is the Junkman. Shining out.